Good evening, folks. ProTrader Mike, founder of MOJO Day Trading. Hope everyone had a wonderful day today. Amazing day today. Hope you all did. And that's what we like to do on this Monday, January 25th. Great start of the week. Update you what happened in the MOJO room today. Update you with some futures trading. Absolutely. Let me actually open up the MOJO room. And then this way we could take a little look. There's maybe some people even in the MOJO room. Let's log in. And we could check her on out. And then we could check out some stock-a-roonies and some future-roonies. So I got the MOJO room open right here. Let's see what we did in the MOJO room today. The top part's my picks. Ooh, quite the day. Quite the day. Let's see. Morning routine. We do that every day. We scan right there, you'll see. We scan for the hottest momentum stocks every morning. I've been sending out this same lesson board for over 5 years, every single day. I haven't missed a day. I scan for volume, float, and price. I create my watch list. I even put that on the MOJO site. Absolutely, right here on MOJO Day Trading every day. So we scroll over here to You should bookmark this site and check it out, because every morning I throw up these stocks, and it's kind of crazy, man. Kind of crazy. Let's go right up to the MOJO site and click right here up top. We'll go through the challenge. I'll go through with the members, book online. I'll show you what all that. But right now, let's just check out that watch list. So you had on the watch list today BBB at 1970. The last price was 18, but it went to 2083. A high scalp today of $1.13. CBAT 950 went to 957. Didn't do much. Only 7 cents. Probably lost on that one. And then MDGS at 340, 19 cents. AMTX 59%, 410. And XPER, just 44 cents. Yo, but check this out. Ooh, not that. This. In the MOJO room, we nailed top ships. We traded SQQ and UVXY and did all that. Last week, this is my analysis. So last week, the markets were up so much. You know what I'm saying? I hesitated sending out a lot and many swing picks. I waited to see what the week looked like, and now that the market's open, and what was hot in the morning. Last week, I sent out on the fly. I sent Shipper Dipper, SHIP. Everyone already had top ships. Got to give a special shout out to ProTrader Noble, hitting his daily, his monthly, hits his daily, hit his monthly outcome goal of $100,000 MOJO way. Nailed it today with Shipper and Tops and a couple of other beauties. Congrats. Big shout out to ProTrader Noble, new with the room. Very nice winners. OPT went from 465, soared over 5, closed at 560. I'm looking to repeat the same strategy this week. The futures are up way big. So I know what that means. Anyone that if you hold into the morning will see a nice continuation. Let's see here. The situation's harder because many traders will sell for profits at the open. But the big question is, will it sustain and hold the new highs? It was crazy. If it sells off, there'll be no prudent picks tonight. So let's see how the markets look tomorrow. And I'll for sure send out a pick if I see a great opportunity. You want to see what happened today? The NASDAQ, that's what we trade a lot. And UV. combination. The NASDAQ was up this morning. I'll just do even numbers. 180 points. Then it sold off. Straight down. I actually should do that in red because it went way down in red. And it went negative 50 points. It went like this. We were up here, and then all of a sudden, boom, boom, like that. That's how the drop was. And we were short up here on the NAS. Big day today in the Mojo room, right? So then from there, let me do green. It went up, 100 points. Closed up 92. Closed up 92. Let's just say 100 for math purposes. So it went 180. Down to even is 180. Then 50. Then back to even is 50. Then minus 100. Ready? 180, 280, 380 point move in the NASDAQ today. Think that's volatile? Here's the NASDAQ right here. So right here, we're in SQQ closed right here in the after hours. Switch to the 2-minute, looking hot to trot. Here's a big drop right here in the SQ in the drop right there. So this right here is 1313 right there. So this is 1320, and right now it's probably at 15, 1315, and that's 20. That move, this right here is 1305. So from 1305, see how it went all the way down like that? See how this one went all the way up like that? See that? So that's what I did. I shorted it here. I covered it here. I'm done for the day. Normally in a stock, this is the move I would have to make in order to make a nice profit. See that? That big circle. Ooh, look at that rise up right now. Now it's a good one right there. Them futures right here. Short them into the rise through 13,450 mini Hines. See the mini 450? So it'll go through that. Be patient. Wait for another bar. And then get it up into here through the top of this and have a nice little box. I'll have to trade this in like this. Here's your stop right here. That little gap. So everything from here is a new box. And you should come trade futures with Mojo, man. Futures open at 6 p.m. every day. That's when the market opens for the futures. And I like to trade from 6 to 8 p.m. because the after hours is still open. And I like that. So you're able to make some nice trades in the same continuation trend pattern as that was happening during the daytime. Let me show you right here how you can become this new program, a funded trader. Get educated, get profitable. I got 2 programs. Since I'm talking about the futures, I'm going to show you the futures one. So you got to get educated and get evaluated and then get funded. The day trade futures on a demo platform for 1 month. That's it. 1 month out of your life before you go on the PGA tour, you got to go on the mini tour. Practice before you get out with the pros and they whoop your butt. Practice a lot. Learn a lot about the game. Talk to all the winners before you go out on the tour. Makes sense, right? The challenge of the market is like that at the professional level. So you want to talk with all the professional traders and the guys that make it and could give you golden nuggets of advice. And that's what you get in the Mojo chat, in the groups, and in the challenge. So let me show you right here. What you do is MOJO Day Trading is an education company that teaches trading. Did it go to 50? No, it fell back down. So it's an education company. That's what we do. We teach a lot. Teaching now. Matches successful students that go through the program with trading firms. Do you know there's a lot of trading firms out there? Especially since the market's gone up for the last 4 years. You know how many funds have made billions of dollars in firms? They got so much extra capital. They don't know what to do with it. If they can only find traders that could really like make money trading, they'd be like, dude, how about this? I'll give you $1 million. You make 100 grand, I'll send you a check for 80. I'm keeping 20. Would that be okay? Who wouldn't do that? What do you mean? I got to give $1 million up and I don't have $1 million. No. You're a good trader. You've been through the MOJO Day Trading program in the boot camp. You're in the chat room. You're surrounded by a lot of successful traders and unsuccessful, but more successful because I see from the poll every day. So we want you to come trade our capital because you've proven yourself in this so-called MOJO challenge that you got the wherewithal and the kahunas. You need big kahunas to trade the markets. So we're going to offer personalized education, mentoring sessions. That's this right here, book online. You get the book 15-minute mentoring trade reviews during the challenge, hands-on experience in a trading simulator. We got a futures trading class and an exam that rewards the trader upon successful completion of funding a live trading account by one of our partners. In stage 1, you either take the Stock of the Futures ProTrader Bootcamp online course where you'll learn the educational component of the business. Wonderful. That's good. I need to know how to grip it so I can rip it. And I ain't going to learn how to grip it unless I take the Ben Hogan book on the grip and study it and get some lessons on the grip. Then I can grip it, and then I can rip it. Because I think I can rip it. But until it's in my own mind. Dude, I'm the greatest golfer in the world. Don't mess with me. I'll go play in a tournament. Until that day when I went up next to the one guy next to me, and I'm like, holy crap, who the hell is that? I'm hitting the ball. He's killing me. I'm hitting 7-iron, 170. I hit 5 of them. He hit 10 9-irons, 180. I'm like, holy crap. I looked over. I said, 9-iron? What, are you kidding me? I left. I was way out of my league. I thought I was good until I saw how the pros really do it. Then you know what I did? I went and got lessons from the pros, the same ones he did. I said, who's his teacher? I want that guy. How much you pay for that guy? I got the moolah. Because when I go out, I want the jula. And dude, I took the lessons. Now I got the moolah jula. I could stand up with that guy. Now I hit, instead of a 7-iron, I hit an 8-iron. He still hits a 9-iron. But telling you, you need the mentorship, the coaching, the hands-on experience. Otherwise, you're going to be toast. You know how tough trading is? The PGA Tour, not many make it, man. Dedication. You know what I'm saying? Like, I got this guy right here on the PGA Tour. Check it out. I won't show his name, but I'll show you his text with me. He's on the PGA Tour. Oh, I deleted it? No. Shit. Yeah, I deleted it. He's on the PGA Tour. He did his first futures trade, held overnight like I told him, because he's got some SQQs and stuff from the swing. He made $10,000. Like, holy crap, dude, you're hooked now, huh? I'm like, yeah, he's hooked. Look, it's going through 50, Mini Hines. I told you. Look, told you to wait, right? I told you to wait. This is the purpose of the boot camp. Most other traders would be in down here losing. You're getting stopped out. Mojo's entering the trade right here at 48, 49, 50, right there. I told you. And now it's going to fly back down. Told you.
That's awesome!
I know. I'm gonna nail it. That's what you do. So after you learn what to do, then you go to stage 2. The first stage is the learning stage. Stage 2 is the practice. And you got to practice for a month, at least. And you got to make a certain amount of money. It's not like, oh, I'm going to make all the money in one day and I hit the challenge. No. Let's say you do a $50,000 account. You got to make $3,000 in profit over 5 days. So what is that? $3,000. Let's take out the calculator. You got to make $3,000 in profit divided by 5. You got to make $600 a day. No problem. Mojo has no problem making the moolah and even showing others how to make the moolah. You know what it is? It's not losing $1,000 in a day. The goal is 600. Just don't lose 1,000. Cut it at 5 and grind. Cut that crap at 5 and grind back, baby. Mojo will show you how to do that in the boot camp. And if you can do that for 5 days, you get sent with me. You get sent to the firm. And you do it, repeat the same thing that you just did with me. Now you're signed up in the tournament. Now you got a tee time. You're live, but you're out there. You better prove yourself in the qualifying. This is just the qualifying school and the qualifying event. If you trade well in the qualifying and trade well, guess what? You move to the tour, baby. You're going to get a live trading account. And there's a couple of firms that want to hand out accounts, dude. It's, who's going to give the best deals? And that's it. You follow the rules. You don't hit the losses. And there you go, baby. See the explanations right here. Look, learning stage number 1. You join the Mojo chat room subscription. There's a link right there below to join, $149. And you get the stock in the futures room. Stage 2, you enroll in the boot camp. Start learning, baby. There's the link for that, $497. That's what your career will cost you. Not too shabby. Where was that when I started in the business? You know how many $10,000, $20,000, and $50,000 accounts I had to blow up before learning how to not blow up? A lot. Now, you don't got to blow up. Now you just got to put up and learn. Put a little skin in the game. Right? Then in stage 3, you start the challenge, the qualifying stage. And you got to be trading 20 minimum days, consecutive or not. It doesn't have to be in a row. Just trade 20 days. Log 20 days of trading. No holidays and no weekends. You got to adhere to the disciplined trading plan and the rules. Trade for 20 days. Don't reach or go below the daily loss limit of 1,000. Don't exceed the maximum position. You can only do 5 lots. Don't go more than 5. It doesn't let you go more than 5 anyway. But you can only do 5. I got the system that protects you. Don't reach or go below the trailing drawdown. So if you start with a $50,000 account, guess what? At $2,000 down, you lost $2,000. Not just 1,000 for the day. You're done. 1,000 for the next day too. Guess what? They don't want you. You're ineligible for funding. They don't want you. See ya. You can always start over and do it again. But you only trade during approved times and maintain consistency. Like I said, if you got to make $3,000 and you make $4,000 in a day, it ain't over. Because only $600 out of that $4,000 counts for that day. You got to make $600 a day. One day you may make a little more, one day you make a little less, but look, you got to hit the profit target. Well, they don't want you. You're not a pro. And that's what the boot camp is, man. I'll show you how to be a pro. After payment, look, someone just paid. Someone just joined, got a clink. Love it. I'll check it out. You get an email with setup instructions. Right here is learning stage 1, practice stage 2, qualifying stage 3, and check it out in the funding stage. In the qualifying stage, you're trading an account the same size you're going to go live. So you trade profitable for 5 days in stage 2. Then you complete stage 3 for trading for 15 days. And by completing stages 2 and 3, you made it to the funding account stage 4. You've demonstrated you have all the necessary skills to responsibly manage and trade real capital. After you've completed the qualifying stage 3, you'll receive your live account details and you could start trading real capital. Wherever you are, you get 100% on all withdrawals up to a total of $5,000 that you earn and withdraw. You take the money, you earn it right, it goes right back to your bank. The profit split on withdrawals after $5,000, after you make your first 5, is 80-20. 80% going to the trader. Where was this when I started trading? I tell you. So you come up here and you click Start Trading. And there's the rules. You join the chat room, you join the course, and then you pick your poison, man. You want to trade a $50,000 account, a $30,000 account, or a $100,000 account? I'm going to personally coach you for a whole month, for 20 days. Abuse me, please. Hit $3,000 on 50, $6,000 on 100. Max contracts is 5 on the 50, 10 on the 100. Your daily loss is 1,000. Your daily loss is 2,000. Don't lose more than $2,000. Don't let the account go below 49,000 for the week. Don't mess up the whole week. They don't want you if you can't make money over a week. We want traders that can make money. I said I got no problem making money. It's the losing of the money after making or having bad shazzles. Got to cut that out. You're a winner. $2,000. Trailing max right there is 2. Don't let the account go from 50 to under 48. Well, you're done. And it's $299 for a whole month, and you can abuse me for a whole month. Believe me, at the end of the month, you're going to be a different trading person than when you started. What did it cost you? Virtually nothing. Would you rather go blow up 10 times for $5,000 and $10,000 each? That'll cost you $100,000. Or would you rather get coached for $300 for the month and make it? You got a $50,000 account, start making a living in a real career. Because a lot of people are home, they don't have jobs, they're struggling with the COVID situation, they're handcuffed. The world's got you handcuffed. The golden hand, they got you, you can't do nothing. Well, you got to break out of that. Giving you the skills and the tools, no background checks, no credit checks. You got to have the discipline, the wherewithal, the humbleness, the knowledge, the computer skills and ability, a computer, a real good one, 2 monitors, and a fresh book and paper and journal, and listen. Start listening, man. Start taking notes. Start learning. Let's start making some money. There you go. We'll do the best we can. Each one of these things tells you what it is. Coaching charge. Spend 1 month with ProTrader Mike as he coaches and mentors through the challenge. Profit target is the amount of net profit required per stage. Max position. Cumulative amount of contracts across all open trades. Daily loss. Net P&L can't hit or exceed this amount, and you trade from 5 p.m. to 3:10. Weekly loss. Step 2. Net P&L can't exceed the amount for the trading week. And trailing drawdown. It tells you what all these are. 1 month payment plan renews at the end of each month on the date of subscription. So all you need is 1 month. If you need 2 with me, you let me know. And that's the plan, dudes. It's simple. Oh, look, this guy's trading in the MOJO chat room right there. Got it on his screen. He's a killer. Go ahead. Looking forward to your join. I got a full class. Class is February 1st. Feb 1st. I'll show you right here the courses I got. Got crypto, stock, and futures. Mojo's got that crap going on right here, baby. Look up top. You go boot camp courses right here. Click here. preview. Look at that. Stock trading boot camp. Become the next pro trader. Stock trading boot camp. Look at that. Futures boot camp. Look at that. $497. Look at that. Look at that. Crypto boot camp. Look at that. You'll learn history of crypto. How to get started creating crypto when you first buy, selecting platforms and exchanges, using the sim, what to expect from crypto, what crypto to trade, types of crypto, traders, what's your style, why you fail, candlestick trading, fundamental analysis, coin, how to scale into trades, learning the basics of level 2, how to stay in trades longer, video library, crypto quizzes. Been trading for 30 years. In 2012, the MOJO Day Trading was started and today has grown to hundreds of pro traders. My easy style and simple to understand trading philosophy and teaching philosophy will enable you to advance through the courses easy and implement the systems in no time at all. Looking forward to trading with you and becoming your teacher and mentor. Keep it profitable, Pro Trader Mike. Absolutely. Let me see what I got here. Let me show you Julie. A couple of emails I got, like here. I want to thank you, Julie. Where are you? Thanks a million. Right here. Julie's email tonight. Let's get rid of her email and her last name and how much she got. My email, but today's date is right here. Great. Here we go. So we go, hi, thanks a million for the discount. I gave her a 20% discount. You want a 20% discount? Email me. Thanks for being a great friend and a mentor who wants the best for me. I heard that from Sean tonight. Hey, Sean, my new best friend. Dude, someone in my son's class. I hope this is not the email for the COVID. Oh, Sean, baby. Got the coaching set up. I got a new booking. So what happens is when you do a booking, hold on, I got a member request for my site. Mitch Brooklyn, tech alum, you want to come on the site? No, you can only join the site. Mitch, I can't let you in unless you're a member of the team. You get badges, you get everything. So you can't join. But you can join, Mr. Sean. You booked an appointment with me, my first appointment. And when you book an appointment, I was just talking about my buddy Sean. Look at that. I was just talking about you, dude, and you freaking did that. Mike, here it is. Here. Okay, look. So when you book a meeting on my site, right here, you go into members and you book online. Ooh, them futures really dropped from 50 down to 38. Look at that. I told you it would drop again, right? Look at that shit, huh? It went from here, 50, guys, went all the way down to 43. Look at that drop I told you it was going to do, huh? That right there is a huge, huge move. I made everyone huge money trading the futures. That is a huge move right there, boys. Wow. Look at that drop from there. Gave it to you right there, dude. I said, wait, and nail it there. It went right down to that bottom right there. What is that right here? What is that? That's a disclaimer. Huh. Look at that. So right there, that is a move of 13,430 to 13,450, 20-point move. That's humongous. That's humongous. You know what humongous means? Humongous. You want to see a big one? Look at this. Here's my move from 1330 to 1350. Right here. Okay? I made $2,000 on that. From 1330 dropped to $13.46, $2,000. Look at that move. 15-cent move. It dropped from 13, let's say 400. It's a 60-point move right there. 60 points. 2 G's. See another one? Here's oh, that's Ninja Trader. Look at all these. Oh my goodness gracious. Here we go. Buy, sell, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy. Made 340 bucks there. But where's another one I had here? Oh, let me do this by date. Sort by date. Here it is. Here's the trade today. So check this out. Check out this trade. This is the $10,000 trade that the golfer made today. This right here is $13 on SQQ right up in here. This is $12.90 right up here. And it went through Heinz 13. And it went to $13.79. That's a 250-point drop in the NASDAQ today. You know how much you would have made on one lot? Every 1 point is 50 bucks. So you would have made 250 times 50. You would have made $12,500 on one lot, which no leverage is 12.5. You would have doubled your money on that Heinz trade today. Crazy, right? So you book an appointment with the MOJ. I got to change the booking thing so I got to write that down to more than 2 days. Alrighty. And then you book an appointment. So let's say Tuesday. Got the, I don't know what's going on. Evening hours of Wednesday. Here we go. Wednesday. See that? Morning, afternoon, or the evening. Thursday will be open when it's open, and then you could take your slots, and Friday too. Isn't that cool? And then what it does, it sends you a Zoom booking right here. So great news. Someone booked one of your services. Sean booked a meeting with me on January 26th at 8:30. Zoom sent them right there, all set up. We'll have a conference call. Isn't that cool? So cool, dude. And that's the boot camp right there, bros. So I got 3 boot camp stock futures and that, and you need to take the stock in order to understand the futures. So if you need to, you hear this video, you take the futures boot camp and get fun and sign up. I'll give you the stock boot camp too for nothing. Throw that baby right in. So you watch the stock first, you get in the futures, you'd be like, oh my gosh, I could part the water like Moses with my staff. I go like this with my pen, and the freaking trade parts all green in my face. How sick is that? Like Moses. Dude, look how dropped that was from 5th. Look how much I'm up dropping on that shit. Look at that. And it pop up, and dude, it's unbelievable how much money. Dude, if I wasn't already done for the night and for tomorrow, I'd be up even more, because I told you I was going to short it at 50. I'd be up 20 points. I hope you're up 20 points, because I would have been up 20 if I marked it. When you mark a trade, it's almost as good as doing it. you get a feeling of mastery. Yep. So that's what we did, man. And then we traded the stock right here. Biggest winner of the day. We risked. Let me show you how I trade. And if you like this, you'll come to the room and join immediately. Okay? Check it out. Here's what I did. I said right here, look, it's 796 on the bid. See that? Look at the ask. 798. See that? You buy 100 shares. Right? 100 shares. You see it right there. I told you that's exactly how you do it. If it goes lower, like that, sell it right there, 100 shares. You lose nothing, man. $10, dude. You lose $10. You got 100 shares. But shall it go higher into that 99 right here? You buy 300. Right here at this 8, I'm all in. I'm all in. I buy 9,600 shares to complete 10. I buy 1,600 shares to complete 2. Or I buy 600 shares to complete 1,000. I'm in. I'm in. VXRT for the Heinz break of 8. VXRT for the 8. Well, here's 810 with a signal. It's going higher. It's going higher. Textbook, full sequence, Mojo University into a rail grind right there. Beautiful at 847. So you made $5,000 on 10,000 shares. On 1,000 shares, you're up $500. Look at that. Oh my goodness, it's not over yet. Look, that's 847. This tops goes from $1.77. You see the first spike right here? You see it? It goes to $2.15. Watch. Tell me if you can do it, dude. I put the pictures. All you gotta do is like follow the pictures, bro. Look, tops 175 to 77. Let's take a break. We come back, the thing's ripping. Look, Clovis, signal at 780. Stock went up huge. Look, tops 193 right now. Tops 193. Ameren in rail grind at 763. Look at these stocks, bros. Look at this. Ameren. Ameren is 790 up in the after hours. Beautiful on the Ameren. Look at that. So let me move this futures chart over. Done trading that for a little. Look at the Ameren, bro. 794 closed. Look at that. Beauty on the Ameren. Here's the daily on it. Look at that breakout right there on the daily. Beautiful on Ameren. And then you got, look at this. GME today. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh my goodness gracious. Look at GME went from a 60 to 160. I gave it out yesterday in the Mojo Swing Trade newsletter. For those people that would be interested in trading what was going to be hot this week, check it out. I put out new picks. Right here, GameStop. $26. See it? Top one. See SHIP at $1. That went to $1.50. See OPTT at $5.89. That went through $4.65. Look, check it out. This was the newsletter. Last week, the markets were up so much. I hesitated sending out many new picks. I waited to see what would it look like on Monday and what was hot. So last week, I sent out on the fly SHIP and OPTT, and both were nice winners. You could see OPTT right here on this chart. It needed to go through 465. The original pick was $1.13. It's 427. It needed to go through 465. And right here, it's the next day is $5.60. right here. GME $65. It went to 130 today. Yesterday was at 45. Bingo at 8. Today, 10. OBLN at 630 went to 7. There it is at 602. CCIV, you see it at 1835. It's 2235. So all these hot ones right here that I had sent. See the Sun W at 22 was up huge today. SUNW. And AMTX. See that AMTX? Look at these two. AMTX. $11 today. 11. Look at GME. It halted trading right here twice. It halted once on the way down right there. See that little gap? And I bought that dip and sold that green bar. No, or it halted one of these, dude. Yeah. And I saw, and then it went up huge. Where was that one? That was in the first halt. Could have been here. Could have been there. Or it was here. I bought, and then it went up in my face. It went up huge after I sold it. It went to 130. I bought it. Yeah, this was it. At 90 and change, and sold it on that bar in 90 and change. I made like $5 pick in the room. Then all of a sudden, it went from 96 to 159. Can you believe that, dude? Crazy, man. What is going on with this market? Look at Top Ships, 218, went up all day long from $1.60. Look at the move through 2. Biggest bar on the chart right here, $2. $2. The second biggest bar on the chart, $2. Heinz is the biggest bar on every chart. Look at shit. Look at the move right here through $1. Right there. Boom, huge bar. Look at VXRT. Look at this move through 10. Huge move. Look at this move. This is through 8. Look at this move. This is through 9. All the big moves are through, all the bars are through the big numbers, dude. So when I see that, I'm like, oh, okay, let's go check out another one. GME. Well, it's too many, gone up too much. How about IDEX right here? Through 4. Big bars right here, the biggest ones, $4. 393 to 415. Here's Mini Heinz, 350 all the way up to 380. So there's the pattern, guys. Got to learn how to use the pattern to your advantage every day. And that's it. GBTC down $1. Blink charging stations holding up at 45. Let me switch to the dailies. That looks okay. Sun, like I said, today was up at 29. Sun took the biggest dump when the market dumped. Look at this. So you were up with Sun at 29 and the market dumped. Look, it dumped to 20. You lost 9 points in 5 minutes. And then it came all the way back up. So you got sucked out, vomited, spit on. You hate trading. You don't know about lot separation. When you know what lot separation is, which you learn in the boot camp, I'm teaching February 1st to a huge class. You'll learn about lot separation. You'll be so good, dude. So I got that live boot camp, man. Get everyone funded. I'm going to get like 30, 40 traders that are going to be in that class, more, funded at one time. The firm, I'm going to send them, they're going to be like, oh my gosh. And I called and told them. I said, I'm teaching a class. I plan to send over a group of successful winning traders, and they want a deal. They want good deals. So they said, dude, we'll give you the best deals if you can prove the pudding. So on February 1st, in 1 week, on Monday, I got a live boot camp class that I'm teaching in that MOJO chat room. You're more than welcome to join. Join the chat room. I give you the stock trading course on top of the futures course, so you can have them both. You join the MOJO chat room subscription, get in there and trade with me every day. And in a month from now, let's see where the dust settles. Let's see how you roll that dice. Let's see who you are. Because I've helped a lot of people, man. I've spoken to a lot of traders, bros. A lot. Yep. I know. Some make it.
MAYBE. Let's go with maybe.
Some make it.
Maybe. Maybe.
Some.
No. N-O.
Some.
No.
But some
Yes.
win.
Yes, baby. Yeah. Well, yes.
I get a lot of the winners, especially the guys that know how to trade UVXY.
Give me a Y. Give me an E. Give me an F. Yeah.
Because when you know how to trade UVXY, you become an expert at trading E-mini S&P 500, the ES.
Yes.
When you become an expert trading SQQQQQ, like UVXY, XVXY, you become a pro with the Nasdaqian 100.
Yes. Well, yes. That's awesome. That is awesome. Yeah, awesome sauce. Sweet. Sweet.
I know.
Awesome.
That's what we do, folks. That's what we do. Let's check out my Twitter. What's going on Twitter? Got a lot of followers on Twitter. Dude, I'm the market shark. How do I have all these 56,000 followers? I must be doing something right. I don't advertise, so I don't know how they get there. Look, I got 600 views on my video, bro. Don't tell me nobody watches the Mojo Show. 600 view bones. That's pretty spanky. That's pretty spanky. I got 6 people that are live now. Hello. Let's see, maybe I could see some names. Who's out there? Emma. What's up, Emma? Hey, I've already spent $400 on the stock boot camp, so I can't spend another. You don't have to. Emma. I just told you, if you do the stock, you get the other. So come on, Emma. What are you waiting for, Holmes? I know, Jimmy, you went to 159. Emma, you've been seeing it. You've been watching it. You know the Mojo's here. Send me an email. Welcome aboard. Welcome aboard the challenge. I'm looking forward for your action. Send me your reports and your tracking sheets. Let's rock and roll. Mr. Challenger, see you in the morning. Mr. Guillermo, Mr. Brewer, Mr. Hopel, what's up? Hey, yes, excellent. So let's see what we got. Look at that watch list today, beautiful. Here's that NQ futures move, magnificent. Look how big that thing dropped, dude. I posted it on Twitter. Sick, right? Look, become a funded trader. Funded, evaluated. Hook you up, man. Dude, how come nobody hooked me up for so many years? How come nobody hooked up the Mojo, man? Said, yo, Mojo, don't blow another 10, 20 grand, 30 grand, 50 grand, 10 grand. Yeah, you making it. Don't know, Mojo. Let me hook you up, bro. Simulate, bro. Don't waste your money. And just waste your time. Time is yours, is valuable. So if you put out a month and you show me that you got the shizzle, I give you the rizzle. That's the game. Said, damn, dude, where you been all my life, baby? Dream. So I got in on the halt right here at 72. See that, Emma? And when it opened, I got it. Then I sold it. Then it went to 159. How sick is that? But I gave it out. So if you're up over $250,000 in the Mojo room, you got permission to trade that. Otherwise, what are you, crazy? What are you, out of your mind? What do you want to make what are you trying to jump over the dike? There's one side, the other, and the water in the middle. And a nice 5-foot jump. Make it every time. Dude, that's 15 feet. You got to run. You got to jump off a trampoline, dude. You know how hard the landing's going to be? You got to be a freaking magnificent trader to trade that like that and make that happen. Crazy, man. Better know who you recognize. Better recognize who you're playing against. GameStop right there. GameStop will wreck you, dude. Wreck you and break you. How about Pola? $22 on Pola. It was up $5 today to 30. Mojo picked it at $298 in January. Right there, January 17th. 2020 though, not 2021. Still, you could see that growth. Acre, don't be old. Don't be the old you. That's the best thing I ever learned from Mojo. Oh, thanks, Acre. Oh, look at this. ProTrader Holloway got his shazzle razzle set up at the biz trading with the COVID. And he's Iron Man mouse right there with the Mojo room. Nice. Nice. What's this? OBLN Beast today from 5. Ripped all the way to 661. OBLN yesterday. That was Friday. Free chat Friday right there. You can get a free chat right there. Go to my website and just click free pass. So it sends me an email. I get you right into the chat room. Free day on the Moj. Right there. So come on to free pass, free 1-day pass right up here at top. Or just scroll down on the page. You see one right there. Just click that. There's another one down here. Click that and get you right into the chat room. Check it out. Look at that futures right here. Look at that drop. Futures. See that? That's $1,175 profit on that in 1 hour of future trading. See that? 1 hour. Beautiful drop right there. Mojo loves the short side. Oh, listen to this. This is Sean, the guy that just booked that appointment with me.
Just wanted to share this with you. ABGR, this was your play. Look at that. That's insane. Over 300% return, man. Thank you for that play. Looking forward to your class. Let's touch base soon.
How sick is that?
Mike,
Avenger. 300% win. Thank you. The WoW trade play. We did that one in the room too. His POAI base breakout at 73 cents. Stock's up huge. From 73 cents to $1.45. 100% move. Look at these. SPWR at 18. First Solar at 80 and Sun at 3. Sun is 29. First Solar's way over 100. SPWR is way over 20. Look at these. Sun is 24. SPWR is 47. Been to 55 today from 18. CSIQ from 20 to 61. And First Solar at 105 went to 113 today. Told you. I put out good picks, man. Right there. I was on Wednesday, November 11th. Gave out all those. They were up huge. ADTX. Right here. Look, it's going to run and spike through 3, I said. Look, 10% gain. Look, 30% gain. In 10 minutes, 5 minutes, I gave you a 30% runner. That's like giving you Amazon at 1,000 and 10 minutes later it's 1,300. Dude, you'd be like, oh my gosh, Mojo's the best. There's SHIP going through $1. Ripping. Here's SHIP. That's a ACST at 93 cents. Here's UAV at 4. Stock went to 10. Here's OPTT, maybe in play with the energy stock at 355. Stock's at 7. This is just the other day. OBLN Spiker at 229. OBLN at 270. Mojo's delivering, man. Delivering. Here's Vissel at 292. Here's Vissel at $3. Mojo's delivering. Here's SPI right there, spiking. Nodira, CYRN, $1.77. Mojo swing pick at $1.50. Cyrene, Israeli developer of secure messaging and anti-spam. Netflix, we traded that day. Look at the spike on Netflix. Went up 60 points. Right there, it's up 40. Right there in the after hours, went up huge. That's 520. That's 540. 20 points. Givo the other day, 850. Givo's at $14. I had it at $3 and $1 for so long it did nothing. I had a huge position. Crazy back in the day. I remember that. It's crazy how I can lose on that. And now look where it is. I'd be a rich. I'd have like, I caught 50,000 shares at $1. It's at 14, 700 grand. Can you imagine, dude? Can you imagine? Just dreaming. Ooh, look at that. Nice perps. That's a nice. Don't have to dream for that. Don't got to make 700 grand for that. Don't tell me you climbed all the way up here before trying the Mojo Swing Trade newsletter. Better ask ProTrader Mike. Nice. All right, that's about it. Oh, you see this? This is some micro E-mini futures. How this new E-mini micros work. This is the stuff, bro. Trading the E-minis. How the new E-mini. This is on the Mojo site. So you got contract size, $5 times the S&P. This is $2 times the NASDAQ. Minimum price, 0.25, $1.25 per contract, 50 cents per contract. There you go. Each tick has a value of $5 on the micros. Each tick has a tick of 50 with the new micro futures. At the cost of $12.50 per tick, scalping losses can add up. That's with one lot. But the micros, $1.25 a tick. That's why I said you get 4 ticks per point. So $12.50, $12.50, $12.50, and $12.50. That's $50 times 200 point move is 10 grand on one of those drops on one lot. So you can quickly make money and quickly lose, dude. That's why you need to have the coaching and the Mojo right by your side. And that's a great article right there on the Mojo site. Oh, good. Justin, live futures trading. What's up, brother? And how do we hook you up? With what, Guillermo? What are you going to hook up the Mojo with? How good was the Emma says she spent $400 on the stock boot camp. Emma, how good was the stock boot camp? Everyone's like, oh, you don't want to spend another. It's nuts because Emma doesn't have a lot of money for the edge, which is fine. It has nothing to do with the quality of the course and who she is and what she's learned. That's the key. Because why would she want to do the futures boot camp if the stock boot camp was shit and she didn't learn nothing? She sees the golden road. It's like, the yellow brick road. The yellow brick road, the yellow brick road. I'm going to go down the yellow brick road. The yellow brick, the yellow brick. Alrighty, boys and girls. Oh my gosh, look what the futures did. They went all the way back up to 50. And then they dropped back down again from that huge drop, dudes. Look at that. So it went all the way down. Look at this. As I showed you, and then it came all the way back up. It dropped again, and then look at this run, dude. This run stopped you out for a loss because you don't know how to trade it. And now it came back down, you'd be okay. But you lost your account right there. See that circle? You got short here for the breakdown below, natural. Everyone would do that. And instead of covering here, you lost your account way up there, and now it's back down to here. Does everyone see that? And you're hanging. Does everyone see that? So you went for the short, okay? Here, for the break of this, which is natural, you should have stopped out here. Instead, you lost your account here. I like drawing. And then, there you go. There's your hanging rope. And there you are. And there you are. Look at you. Look at you, boy. Look at you hanging. Look at you hanging like a chump. You know why you lost? Because you don't know what happened from here to here, which is the learn phase. You see? This move, hey, you made money, baby. Nice, you're a champ. But that move, you lost everything you made, and now you're done for the day. So what happened in here and what's happening now is the learning phase of your business. And you better know why and what the hell happened here that made that happen. And I know exactly why. And that's what I'm going to teach you in the course. So you know too, when you see it, you're going to be like, oh, okay, no problem, let's wait. Instead, you'll short it here on the Cupid top, cover here, short it here, cover here, and now you're trading it in this box here where you were short down here, waiting for it to come back down, and it never will. Or waiting for it to go up there, it never will. There you go, boys. So that's the Mojo Show. I want to thank everybody for watching the Mojo Show. So guys, at the end of my program, and there'll be more videos that pop up. Since 2012, I've done 2,400 live day trading shows where I talk about stocks and trading and education and what I do in the market and the room and my guys and my team, and you know who knows you. So I'll see you tomorrow. Good night. Keep it profitable and healthy, and I'll see you in the morning, possibly for another Mojo Show in the pre-market live stream. We see what be hot and what be not. Later, guys. Mojo you all the way.